Hey, are you looking for a complete multi-vendor application? Do you want to start your own business like Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart and all these multi-vendor big giants? Are you looking for a platform where your sellers can register and sell their products? Your customer can orders from different sellers and you can earn commission on each order? Then this is the video for you. In this video, we are going to explain how our ready-made multi-vendor application Wishimart Pro works, how your customer can order, your seller can register on the platform, and how the admin can control everything and earn commissions. So yeah, let's get started and let's understand how Wishimart Pro app works and what you will get in this application. So yeah, let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal and today I'm gonna tell you how our ready-made Wishimart Pro app works and how you can use this type of application for your business to start your own multi-vendor business. So let's just download Wishimart Pro application from the Play Store. It looks like this. Right now it's having Wishimart Pro name, but when it's your app, it will be having your name. So for example, if your business is Star Gold, then it will be having Star Gold name over here and Star Gold app icon over here. So let's click here. And this is the branding of your application that will come over here. Remember, right now it's having Wishimart Pro logo and branding. It will be having your branding, your name once it's your app. And this is the main app of Wishimart Pro. The complete multi-vendor, multi-category application. You can see all the categories and you can see this amazing layout. You can add as much categories that you want to add from the admin panel of Wishimart Pro. Now let's click on a category to see products inside it. And yeah, that's how products inside a category looks. The customer can go to unlimited products. The customer can scroll the application infinite. So if you have much products, if you have 1,000 products, if you have 10,000 products, the customer can scroll it infinite without going anywhere inside the application. That is a very good feature of Wishimart Pro. You can see all the products like this. You can see all the categories like this. You can search products like this. Now just click here and log in our account. You can also log in by OTP, enter your name, number, detail, and the application will send you a OTP on your number. And yeah, that's how you register in Wishimart Pro. Now let's make an order and let's understand how a customer can order on Wishimart Pro and he can order any seller's products. So now let's click on a product. So you can see the product image, product price, product description and all the other details. Now let's click on add to cart and buy now. You can also increase or decrease the quantity from here. And now enter your personal details like what is your name, what is your number, what is your address and other details. Now choose your payment method is cash on delivery or online payment. It depends upon the admin, he wants to give the cash on delivery or not. If he disables the cash on delivery, the customer won't be able to see that. Now accept terms and conditions and click on place order. And yeah, that's how a customer places an order in Wishimart Pro application. Isn't it very easy? Now let's go to my orders and from here you can see all the orders and let's see our order. And you can see our order is in processing. Now let's see this order in the seller panel so the seller can deliver this order. So now let's log in into the seller panel of Wishimart Pro to understand how a seller will accept the order and complete it. So this is the seller panel of Wishimart Pro login and that's how you log in the seller panel of Wishimart Pro. Now here is your orders. You can see the other details also, like from here you can add products, from here you can check your orders and other things. Now let's go to the orders and you can see the order from here. You can see the customer detail, his name, his address, his order, his product order, its quantity, everything you can see by the seller admin panel. Remember, whenever a seller registers on the platform without admin making him verify he cannot log in inside the seller panel and start adding the products. That means any unwanted seller cannot come to your place and ruin your marketplace. You can have only verified seller. For more, kindly contact your consultant so he can help you the best to understand the feature of Wishimart Pro. Now let's go back to the video. So this is the order in the seller panel. Seller can see the order details, and now the order status can be changed like this. Now let's assume the seller has delivered the order to the customer. So now let's change this order status to be delivered. And now let's go back to our customer app and go to our order status, and here you can see the order has been delivered. So that's how in Wishimart Pro a customer can order, seller can see that order and complete it, and the customer can receive the order status. Now let's talk about the other functionalities of Wishimart Pro and why you should choose the Wishimart Pro application. Number 1, combo. In the Wishimart Pro you are getting a complete combo of website, customer Android app, admin, seller web panel, complete 1 year free technical support, and complete source code. If you are choosing Android plus iOS combo, then you are getting website, customer Android app, customer iOS app, seller web panel, admin, and 1 year free technical support. For more, you can contact your consultant, or you can also check description so our consultant can directly connect with you. Number 2, complete React Native and fast application. Wishimart Pro supports complete load, so you can have as much products as you want to have, as it supports very good load, as it's a React Native application, very good technology to make your applications. So that is why you can upload as much products as you want to. For more, you can contact your consultant. Number 3, complete OTP login and OTP registration. In Wishimart Pro, you get OTP registration and OTP login. So if someone wants to register, their number will be verified when they are making an account. Also, they can log in by number also. So it gives a very good functionality for the user. Number 4, complete dynamic look. In Wishimart Pro, you can change the complete home page of the application. The home page you can change completely, any banner, any products, any offers you want to run. You can do that in the Wishimart Pro completely by the admin. For that, you can check here the video available how to edit admin in Wishimart Pro. So yeah, let's go ahead. Number 5, completely easy to use admin and complete 1 year free support. In Wishimart Pro, you get completely 1 year free technical support. So you can message or call our team for any issue. You can also connect with our team in the WhatsApp group that we are connected. For more, you can contact your consultant, or you can also check the description so our team can directly connect with you. And that's all about Wishimart Pro. I hope you like this video. If you are looking to start your own multi-vendor website and application, you can directly contact us. And that's all about Wishimart Pro, the complete multi-vendor application combo. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query, you can directly contact your consultant, or you can also connect with us on the number showing on the screen. You can also check description to connect with us for better discussion. So our consultant can connect with you and can help you to make best apps for you. For more, kindly watch all the videos, and I'll see you in the